Our journey begins in the heart of Dubai, at the iconic Dubai Marina Waterfall. This man-made waterfall is a testament to the city's ambition and its ability to create breathtaking spectacles. The waterfall cascades down from the height of 2 residential towers, making it a sight to behold, especially when it's beautifully lit up at night. As we dive deeper into the location, let's take a look at the map of the Dubai Marina. Nestled among the skyscrapers, the waterfall is a centerpiece of the marina, providing a refreshing contrast to the city's modern skyline. It's more than just a sight to see. It's a symbol of Dubai's relentless pursuit of architectural excellence. The Dubai Marina isn't just a viewpoint, it's a journey through time, offering a glimpse into Dubai's meteoric rise, an appreciation of its present, and a vision of its future. It stands as a symbol of Dubai's rapid transformation and is a testament to its ambition. As we wrap up this journey around Dubai Marina Waterfall, let's take an extended delve into what makes this place so special. The Dubai Marina Waterfall is far more than just an impressive display of architecture. This exquisite creation stands as an unparalleled testament to human ingenuity, a striking blend of art, engineering, and natural elements. The waterfall's cascade is a marvel to witness. It flows with a mesmerizing rhythm, creating an enchanting display that never fails to captivate its audience. The water cascades down, tracing beautifully mirrors the skyline of the city, creating a sight that truly encapsulates the essence of Dubai. Its dazzling illumination at night transforms the entire marina into a magical kingdom. The lights dance upon the waterfall, creating a spectacle that is both captivating and enchanting. The waterfall, bathed in a symphony of colors, casts a mesmerizing spell that enthralls every onlooker. It's like a celestial display on Earth, a visual sonnet that pays tribute to the magnificence of the night. But the experience doesn't stop there. The Dubai Marina Waterfall offers much more than just visual appeal. The sounds of the cascading water provide a soothing melody, a gentle lullaby that perfectly complements the city's hustle and bustle. As you stand there watching the water's hypnotic dance, you can't help but feel a sense of peace and tranquility wash. You're an architecture enthusiast or a city explorer. The waterfall offers a treasure trove of experiences. It's a place where you can appreciate the beauty of design, the intricacy of engineering, and the charm of nature all at once. It's a place that encourages you to delve deeper, to explore further, to understand more. If you're a lover of beauty, the Dubai Marina Waterfall is an absolute paradise. Every aspect of it, from the cascade to the illumination, has been designed to evoke a sense of awe and admiration. The waterfall is not just a sight to behold, but a testament to the power of beauty, a symbol of the city's relentless pursuit of excellence. For the adventurous souls, 2023 is your year to explore. There's so much to see, so much to experience. From watching the waterfall's breathtaking display to exploring the city's mesmerizing architecture, there's no end to the adventures can embark on. Pack your bags and get ready. This is not just a journey to a waterfall, it's an expedition to discover the wonders of human creativity. It's a journey that promises to leave you inspired, captivated, and completely in love with the city of Dubai. So as we wrap up this journey around Dubai Marina Waterfall, let's not forget what we've learned. It's a place that offers a unique experience, one that beautifully combines art, engineering, and nature. It's a place that brings together the iconic city of Dubai and the timeless beauty of the waterfall. It's a place that promises to leave a lasting impression on your heart and mind. So pack your bags and get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey to the Dubai Marina Waterfall.